Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourself. It's your boy Stan the Man here. I'm sitting on my front porch trying to figure out this new product I just got. I just purchased this not too long ago, so it's called CitriStrip. It's a paint stripper, so I'm gonna actually try to apply it to something that we made a mistake painting a few weeks back, and to remove the paint that's actually on there. So we'll go ahead and review this together. It's my first time trying it. And I'll just definitely let you guys know how it works. Stay tuned. All right, guys. All right. So practically this door is drying right now from being painted. As you can see, the paintbrush is right there. So I just painted the interior of the door, took it out, and let it lay out in the sun for a little bit so we can figure it out. But however, this door lock got spray painted and it would look pretty horrible. So we're trying to get it back to its original, to strip the spray paint that's on there and get it back to its original color as much as possible. So that's where CitriStrip come into play. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that and see how well this works, and if it doesn't work, then we'll probably have to find another alternative. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment below. And if this works, I'll be sure to leave this in the link below. Leave the link in the description below. So here comes the execution part of this. So I just took off the cap on it, and I'm shaking it just so we can get a good thing on it. And here we go. Just sprayed it down. So what I like about this is it pretty much sprays very easily. And also there's no ridiculous harmful odors to it so far. Once you spray it. So I'm actually gonna let it set for a little while and see how it removes the paint and what good of a job it does removing the paint and stuff of that nature. So we can go ahead and give it a good rating or a negative one if not. So stay tuned. All right, after I wiped everything off, this is what ended up happening. There's only one shade of it that came off. Let me get the cloth so you guys can see. So pretty much only a few shades of it came off, as you can see in the cloth right there. There's nothing else coming off as far as the wipe off is concerned. So this is pretty much a dud. I wouldn't suggest getting this, to be honest with you, because it's going to take multiple applications or multiple hours of applying this product onto this in order to get it back. But I will continue using it to see if I can get it right in any way, shape, or form. All right, I tried it again, and this is as close as I could get. As you could see, I was able to take off 90% of it, but it still doesn't look good on the door lock. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to get a new one, but it did work, but it took a lot of scrubbing for sure. And that it was after leaving it on for about 30 to 40 minutes, there was a lot of scrubbing involved with that. Can't even begin to explain to you. I had to get a wire pad or like a Brillo pad and scrub everything down, and that's the only way it was able to come off. So I have a feeling like if you leave this on for an undetermined period of time, I would say about an hour or two, it should be able to peel off. But I had to put a lot of elbow grease into this to get it to this point, and I probably would have to do, in order for me to get it right, I would have to do another coating of it. And the other problem is the metal piece of this is starting to show because it stripped the black onto this as well. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend it on a door lock, but it actually does work, to say the least. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as well. I'll be sure to leave the product in the description as also below, so you guys can actually get one if you guys are interested in getting one as well. Like I said, none of my review videos are sponsored, so I just give you the real authentic situation that as it arises. So enjoy, guys. Peace.